Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the best UK current accounts. I will also go over some of the pros, cons, rewards and the interests of each one of the accounts. So this kind of guide will help you identify the top options worth choosing across a variety of categories. So without any much further ado, let's get right into it. So if you're considering getting a new current account, whether to replace your existing account or add an additional one, then this guide will help you identify the top options worth choosing across a variety of categories. First up, let's discuss the best current accounts for earning a switching bonus. Banks and financial institutions are constantly competing to incentivize customers to switch from their existing bank and open a new current account with them instead. These incentives often come in the form of an upfront cash payment, for example £100, £150 or £200 sometimes, all that just for transferring your account. The specific amount and eligibility terms can vary greatly. And I'm not going to have an individual product listed here because these switching bonus deals tend to come and go quite frequently. One week there may be several enticing offers available, and then the next week there may be none. That's why the optimal strategy is to open and keep a secondary dummy account that you don't actively use as your main account. This allows you to cleanly switch between banks and capitalize on earning multiple bonuses throughout the year without impacting your everyday banking and primary account that you rely on. In my opinion, one of the most important factors to consider when choosing a new current account is the quality and feature set of the mobile banking application. Your smartphone application tends to be the gateway through which you engage with your accounts the most on a frequent basis. And here are some picks for the top current account mobile applications at the moment. Starling Bank, the number one choice for best mobile banking application, as Starling's application is beautifully designed, intuitive and packed with useful features. It's an absolute pleasure to use and sets the benchmark for mobile banking. Next up we have Chase, which is also an excellent mobile banking experience. Very similar look, feel and capabilities compared to Starling, fewer advanced features but still extremely user-friendly. And on number 3 we have Halifax. Surprisingly decent mobile app, the interface is not as polished or modern as the new digital banks, but Halifax provides a solid kind of functionality and convenience. They seem to be continuously improving as well. So of the major high street banks, Halifax stands out to me as placing the most focus on enhancing their mobile banking application, but Starling and Chase still remain noticeably ahead of the competition when it comes to user experience. If you want to earn cashback, points or other rewards from your current account, here are some of the picks for the most lucrative options. On number 1 we have Chase. 1% cashback on all card spending for the first 12 months, unrivaled for earning on everyday debit card purchases. On number 2 we have Santander 123 Lite, up to 3% cashback on household utility bills, while a legacy account no longer offered, but keep it if you still have access. And on number 3 we have Halifax Reward Account, £5 monthly cash reward for maintaining a small level of account activity and spending. The new Chase current account is the current standout here with the market leading 1% cashback on all debit card transactions in the UK and abroad for the first year. But Santander 123 Lite, Legacy and Halifax Reward also provide easy channels to earn bonuses and cashback each month. If you specifically want to earn cashback on recurring household utility bills and expenses, then the top recommended picks for this one would be Santander 123 current account. Up to 3% cashback on bills comes with a £4 monthly fee. There's also Santander Edge, up to 5% cashback on bills, tiered based on account usage, and £3 monthly fee also offers 1.5% interest. And on number 3 we have Chase with their 1% cashback on bills and subscriptions made via card transactions. This one goes with a fee-free account. The Santander 123 and newer Santander Edge accounts offer the highest potential cashback rates on common household bills, but the Chase account lets you earn 1% back on services such as Netflix, Spotify and more that are not included by Santander. Always maximize your bill and subscription spending on your highest cashback debit or credit card. Next up, if you need the most affordable and cost-effective overdraft capabilities, then the top picks for this one to help you minimize the expensive fees would be at number 1 Nationwide Flex Direct. 0% APR overdraft for 12 months available to new customers if approved during the account opening. And on number 2 we have the First Direct First Account. £250 fee-free overdraft buffer built in for all customers, increasing to £500 buffer for a year. And on number 3 we have the HSBC Advance Account. Currently offers a £500 interest and fee-free overdraft for 1 year, and this could be removed somewhere this year. Nationwide's FlexDirect stands out for providing the largest 0% overdraft period for 12 months to new eligible customers that are willing to switch. FastDirect and HSBC, which is expiring soon, also give decent sized fee-free overdraft buffers. As for the overall top picks and recommendations as of right now, Starling Bank stands out as my top overall choice because of their best-in-class application paired with responsible practices and sustainability focus. Halifax and Chase round out my personal top 3 recommended current accounts. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this kind of analysis of the current UK current account landscape. Please share your feedback and your own experiences in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content related to this one.